Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Justina Gabrielle and I'm back with another video. Guys, today will be not necessarily a hair tutorial, but I'm gonna be doing my hair. I'm gonna attempt to crimp my hair. Will y'all see that smoke? I'm gonna attempt to crimp my hair. I never crimped my hair before. I don't know how to. And I'm just gonna be talking to y'all. So basically kind of like a rant video, I guess. Just talking about life or whatever. So let's get into the video. Today is New Year's Eve. And like, I'm looking at my mirror too. But today is New Year's Eve, you guys. And like, that's kind of like weird. Because this year went by so fast. Like, it went by too fast. Like, so much crazy stuff happened this year that I'm glad it's over. But who's to say that 2021 isn't any better? I mean, I know it's going to be better for me. Actually, to be honest, 2020 wasn't even a bad year for me. Like, it really wasn't, like, at all. 2020 wasn't a bad year for me at all. I cannot cap. Besides quarantine. Quarantine kind of, drove me, like, insane. Like, I thought I was losing my mind. But other than that, like, I was perfectly fine. Literally. I don't know. I'm just happy, like, this year's over with, though. Even though it went by fast, like, it was, like, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Like, that's how I went. Every month went by so fast. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. So please bear with me. I literally don't know what I'm doing. What? Yeah. My birthday's coming up, guys. My birthday is January 27th. I'm so hyped.
Do I give a fuck? No, not one. How many fucks do I give? 0. Exactly. So therefore your comment is irrelevant.
I don't know what I'm doing. I didn't even know it was New Year's Eve. My bad, New Year's Eve. When I woke up, I was like, okay, another day. Then I saw that cabbage and stuff. I was like, what is all this cabbage doing right here? And collard greens. But, so I'm guessing like I divide this into 2 pieces like this. And then do one side. I hope this don't take forever because y'all, I will stop dead in the middle of my head. Okay. So, what? This don't take forever. Ouch! I just burnt my neck. I'm ready for the school year to be over, to be honest. We finna be in the 2nd semester of school. I'm just ready to get out of school. I'm tired of being in school. I'm ready for summer. But yeah, I suck at this. I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm ready to get out of school. I'm kind of ready for summer. Like, it's starting to get really cold outside, and I don't like that. Because, no, I hate having my birthday in the cold, too, because it's so hard to figure out what I want to do. Because why is it so cold? Why is it so cold? Am I doing it right, y'all? Well, y'all can't answer, but whatever. I got so much, like, so many plans for the new year. Like, I have so many goals. And I'm gonna reach all of my goals. like a lot of stuff that I want to accomplish this year. Like a lot of stuff. It's not even funny. Well, it's not really a lot. Maybe I'm over exaggerating. But I have a lot of stuff in store for the New Year's. And I'm going to accomplish that, period, because this is my prime year. And one thing about me, I've never been the new year, new me type person. Like, I never been one of those people or whatever. Or like, I've never came up with, like, believe it or not, I never had a New Year's resolution or anything of that sort. So this is my first year making one, so it kind of felt good to make one and have goals. One of the simple goals, like short-term goals that I have, is to go on a water diet, because I went on one and I was doing good, and out of nowhere I just quit. And now I be drinking juice like crazy. So I don't drink soda, but I drink juice like crazy. I drink water till I balance it out, but like, I feel like that's why my face keep breaking out, because I just started drinking all that juice out of nowhere and stuff. What the heck? But yeah, that's one of my like short-term goals for 2021 is to go on a water diet and just drink straight water, which I can do because I've done it before, but I lasted like 2-3 months, so it wasn't bad. Well, maybe just all water and lemonade. No, I'm not gonna do that, because the only thing I really drink is lemonade. So like, you feel me? But yeah, I'm so mad because I recorded this vlog for you guys, right? Edited it and everything. Oh, that's kind of cute, girl. Okay, I edited it and all. You wanna know what happened? Do you guys wanna know what happened? So, my phone was running out of storage, and I got the bright idea to just delete some stuff. So I deleted a couple clips. But not only did I delete them, I went to my recently deleted and deleted them out of there.
Bitch, are you dumb?
Pardon me?
Are you dumb?
I think she's
I
dumb.
think she's dumb.
I think she's dumb.
I think
Are
you're
you,
dumb.
like, medically speaking, are you like,
Like, I'm not trying to be mean. Like, are you dumb?
are you, I think she's dumb.
I think she's dumb.
I think she's dumb. I think, do you think
Oh,
she's dumb?
So I was missing like, and I didn't save the video to my phone either. So I was missing a couple clips out of the video. So I was so mad. I was like, wow. I found that out last night too. I was so mad. I was like, what is wrong with me? So then I was just like, dang, how am I gonna get this stuff back? And I was like, ain't no coming back. But you know what? I got more videos to record anyway. So I just came up with the bright idea to crimp my hair and do a rant session. So that's what I'm doing now. Yeah, I literally do not know if I'm doing this right. Like, it's kind of, I don't know if I'm doing this right. How have y'all been for like, what's it called, virtual school? Like, I know a lot of people have been like struggling. And failing and stuff. So like, how have y'all been doing? Because I know I've been doing pretty good. Like, pretty good. I had like a couple slip-ups, but it wasn't nothing too major. Because, you know, my bounce back game strong. But like, I know a lot of people been like having like hundreds of missing assignments and stuff like that, you know? So like, I just want to know, because I know it hasn't been easy for a lot of people, because I really don't like it. Like, I only like the fact that all we get is worksheets and stuff, but I feel like what they're doing, I feel like they're ODing the worksheets, like, or the work that they give us. Because if you peep, while we've been in school, we was never getting this much work. So now all of a sudden we getting all this work. Like, when they get cut like that, we've never gotten this much work that they've been giving us. So, you know, I just want to know. Since when they start giving out all that work like that? No. Darn it. Yeah. I look hideous. What the heck? I don't even care though. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no. After struggling for 10 minutes, I can find myself. Y'all, I feel like 2021 is gonna be such a good year. What do y'all think? I feel like it's gonna be a good year for almost everybody. I feel like I'm not, what the heck? I'm not really sure. I don't know. But I feel like maybe July will be like the point where like it's not 100% gone, but it's gonna be like way, way better. Like, you feel me? Because I don't know, it's just like, I don't know, but it's like, I don't even know, you guys. I don't know. Hopefully it's gone. Well, it's not as bad. Because, whew. Ouch. I got woken up this morning and I was asked about something. I forgot. I think some Adidas pants. I don't know. I really don't know. Am I the only one that don't like Adidas pants? I feel like they're so played out and ugly. Well, no, they're not ugly. I like Adidas leggings, but Adidas pants, no. I don't really like them. I'm more of a Nike Tech or something. But like, I don't know. I really don't like them though, in my opinion. So don't try to bash me because I don't like them. Just yeah. I don't know. If you feel like that I'm talking too much, you don't have to watch this video because this video is basically just a rant video while I do my hair because people requested it. So I'm only doing what y'all requested. So this ain't your type of video. You don't gotta watch it. I really don't care. So it's just like a mini life update. How I'm going and stuff. So I really don't care. I don't care. I want to go to Florida. I want to go to Universal Studios so bad. Like, I want to go. I want to go so bad, you guys. Like, that's one place that I would never get tired of going to. I love that place so much. I went there for my 8th grade. I went there for my 8th grade trip. It was so much fun. But I go there almost every spring break though. And it is so much fun. I love it so much. Like, yes. I really just want to go to the beach or something. I just thought about it. After this, I have another break coming up in February. Dang. We be getting breaks after breaks. Well, I don't know if we still gonna have it this year, but I know we always. It's called winter break or something like that. This is the semester break, and then we get winter break and spring break. Then we out of school, boo. Yeah. Turn up. My goal is to try to edit this video today and upload it today. We're gonna see. I'm gonna upload it probably like 7. Oh, that's close. Well, no. I don't know. I don't even feel like crimping the rest of my head. If we're being honest, this might just be a fail video. But I don't want to walk around with no half-done head, though. It's like, I don't like doing my hair. I love doing other people's hair. But I hate doing my hair. Because, like, why is it taking so long? Like, dang. Do y'all think aliens is real? I do. I feel like there has to be another species other than us humans and animals. Like, it has to be something else. You mean to tell me it's all these planets and it's only us living? Like, what? No. And I feel like some aliens are on Earth, but we just don't know, because you know how people be like, aliens look like you know what people say aliens look like weird little big head creatures. I feel like aliens look like us. Like, aliens are humans, but they're not humans because they're aliens. If you get what I'm trying to say, like, I feel like aliens can disguise themselves. That's what it's called. They can disguise themselves to look like us when really they're aliens. But I mean, I don't know. Say I'm crazy. I don't know. But I believe in them. Like, I feel like, you know, they could clone and stuff like that. I don't know. I feel like they live in that part. Is it Alaska? You know, if you go to Alaska and you go to Alaska, it's only so far you can go before they turn you around, but you can get killed if you go in there. Ooh, let me stop talking before they come get me. But yeah, if you didn't know that, that's true. Like, it's only so far you can go before they turn you around, and if you proceed, they can kill, like, they kill you. So, yeah, it's something in there that they hide, and I don't know what it is. Just like Area 51. The government hides so much stuff. That's why, like, if I was to do something, like, if I could go invisible or something, I would read the what's it called? The book of, the Presidency Book of Secrets. I think that's what it's called. I would most definitely read that. Actually, if I can go invisible, I would kill Donald Trump. And they'd be like, oh, how did that? I would smother him in his sleep. So they would just be like, he died in his sleep. In all reality, I killed him. Who's a pillow? Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, I don't feel like doing my hair no more. This right here. How about we do this? That was such a fail. Y'all. It looks like that one girl that got heat damage but don't want to cut their hair off. Why would I do this to myself? I just literally messed my hair up for no reason. Because I already know I'm not going to finish it. I just literally this was a whole fail. Because I'm not finna finish this. I already know I'm not. Ugh. I'm finna put down my 2021 plan list, whatever it's called, resolution. Not be lazy no more, because what the world? I just wasted my time. Because I'm not gonna finish this. Well, I'm gonna try to finish it later or something. I don't know. Unplug it. Yeah. Guys, I'm so sorry. I just failed y'all. Like, my laziness just hit me. I don't want to finish my hair. I don't want to. Like, just thinking about how long I'm finna be sitting here crimping my hair. Oh. Yeah. So I'm just gonna wrap this around here, like so, like that, like Auntie Tabitha says. Okay. And try not to burn myself. Just in this hot way. And we're gonna sit this under the sink so it don't cool off on the thing. I feel so bad. Cause I just failed y'all. Like, I was supposed to be giving out this little hair rant session video. I guess it was a mini little rant video. With a hair fell because baby, I ain't doing it. Might have had the right idea, but the wrong chick. But I'm sorry that I failed you guys. I hope you guys was a little intrigued with this mini little video that was a fail that turned out to be a flop, because I don't feel like doing the rest of my hair. I'll do it later or something. I don't know. But hope you guys enjoyed this little mini rant or whatever and was interested for a couple minutes, I guess. But I have more videos dropping, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on that bell, and make sure to tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, see you guys in the next video.